Here's a quick video tutorial for the new double cap SMARTeZ elastomeric pump. The new double cap design has two components, the fill port cap, which sits atop the disposable protective port cap. To use the new double cap pump, begin by unscrewing the disposable protective port cap from the pump while keeping the sterile color-coded fill port cap attached to allow the disposable port cap to protect the sterility of the color-coded fill port cap until after filling. The SMARTeZ pump can now be filled with a syringe or automatic filling pump. Remember to remove trapped air from the filling device and attach it securely to the fill port. Do not over-tighten the connection to the fill port. Next, remove the disposable protective port cap from the sterile color-coded fill port cap, then attach the color-coded fill port cap to the filled SMARTeZ pump.